Advertise with him dip on every platform, go and get it now.
Me a pen so I go and I do. I just die here before I want some of them can read, them can write, them can spell. But I be a pen so them get expelled. You know see they get a youth them coming from hell. Don't be a pen and no lie me a tell. But the AK shot ten bring it like the bell. When destroy heart it will become a tell. Not a pre-code, not a touch.
Advertise with him dip on every platform, go and get it now.
What them can't sell? From the get a youth them out at this to sell. Mama got a little salt for morning. Nothing she no sell. One politician be a lie. Them a tell me I'm rich and dead me and one year for real. You think me a push and no joke me a sell. But I might I want. Okay. Yes, I say hello. My ears are one of you them now. Whoa. Got to go to places. Yes, man. Got to go to places. See a lot of faces. Got to exploit it on verses. Got to go shot bed by the cases. I got to live life. Got to live. Got to go to places. See a lot of faces. Got to wait the blotches on verses. Got to go shot bed by the cases. I want to come here.
A little light.
Hi.
Don't know if I paper light. Don't know if I care light. But me know say that one you over here so with the feather and I hear to the high look right. And that one with the blue. And you know say we a see right through. Pick up that one with the moon and the star. She a go far. You ready? Alright.
Testing 1, 2.
Yeah. That work? Use my one alone. How you look a voice where you have? Have a talk, Lord.
Advertise with him dip on every platform, go and get it now.
Testing 1, 2, 1,
Yes.
2, 1, 2. Hear me? Loud and clear? Alright, so this is just very hard for us. You're all very talented and creative, but we have a score sheet and we were outlined with color, theme, presentation, all of those things add up. So I want to really explain to you guys that it's not just for the overall look. There's a theme, there's creativity, there's technique, and there's all of that we score. So I want you guys to understand that. The presentation was very good. The technique is good, but we think it was off theme a little bit. And here we think it's giving more, yes, it's giving a more Bridgerton vibe for us, right? This one was more on theme, midnight skies. This gave color of the midnight as well. We wanted use of colors was one thing as well. There's no color in this one. This has colors. There's a little color here and there. The technique was good there as well. So I want you guys to understand what the judging is like. It's not just the overall look. Okay?
Advertise with him dip on every platform, go and get it now.
With that being said, do we have our top 3? Okay.
We should.
All right. Top 3. Top 3. Oh gosh.
Watch them nails.
Oh gosh. What is the theme for the nails?
We could get rid of the ear people them first.
Gosh, man.
Judges, are you ready? Judges, are you ready? Okay, so Miss Mackenzie, the my ear part I showed it to them.
No, me I wait on the results, my darling.
Papa, piece of pillar, look for the area, and the ear just of them in and the pillar. Do the ear them and the people them low. Lick up better, so you know what I'm saying.
But guess what? Guess what? Guess if the hairstylist them?
Yeah.
The 4th place. The 4th.
Advertise with him dip on every platform, go and get it now.
The person in 4th place I got a 4. So nobody now walk away and lose, I know. a phone. Chatbot. Chatbot. Yes. Yes.
What phone? What kind of phone? You know my phone now work good. A while ago my phone jump a while ago. Yeah, one of the ones come off at the time.
Oh gosh, man. Oh my gosh. So when I call you on stage, you step forward, please. Rashika, step forward, please. Nicola Smite. No, no particular order, but just one name step forward. No, yeah? Step forward, just step forward. Nicola. Nicola Smith. It's Smith.
Nicola Smith.
And Jodian. Jodian, step forward. Yes. Yes. So who you think is the winner? The winner right here, so you know. We are doing quick and fast. Who is the winner? The person here? The person here? The person here? In third place, we have Rashika. Let's hear it for Rashika, ladies and gentlemen.
Rashika.
Alright, moving right along. Second place, we have Jodian.
No, don't go in. Don't get rewarded. Don't leave.
So of course, in first place,
Artists with him dip on every platform. Go and get it now.
we have Nicola Smith. $80,000. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen.
So
So the winner where you saw. And second place where you saw. I'm not gonna go home with that phone because nobody now go home without nothing.
So here we are gonna do now.
Yes.
We're not gonna share the phone. You use the card and you use the chip. You got to sell.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's alright.
I know what.
I'm gonna present the awards to him now. Alright.
Yeah.
Second place. Nicola. Second place. First place. $80,000. Nicola Smith.
Alright.
Second place, Jodian.
Woman. You act. You're not act here just you have to act.
That is it.
I act, you're alone act, you know. Any girl that act right now, you're not act.
That is it.
Right now, my act, come here, act host.
Alright.
Yeah.
This one representing
second
Jodian.
place.
Yes, the second place. Runner up.
So I them go to the place with them, man.
Yeah. And then we're going to weekend. Weekend for the
Warren. Miss Warren.
Mr. Blay, Miss Warren.
Miss Warren.
Then I'm going to weekend.
I'm going to weekend. Carry them, man.
How the day pass? How them I get the day pass?
I'm a mix up. If you don't know nobody to go with ladies, you just say if you don't know nobody to go with some little brother here. The woman gone to find go pick cotton for a farmer. Lonely down here. $60,000. Make some nice here. In a real life. People, you see we're doing it big for your country, we're doing it big for your parish. So here we want to do.
Artists with him dip on every platform. Go and get it now.
The little schoolers and them here will have to go to school, take in on a book, learn a skill when they don't go over art. You get certified from over there. That's when they left for you coming in the business world. You are going to be with friends and we're going to know you, we can put you on the link and make you get through in our life and help you on some style and thing. First place! Where the man?
It's a third place.
Where the man? This rank.
It's a third place.
Give you the rank money them, you know. God, I check them, we give you a while ago a 60 them on it. And it's a 40. You right?
It's a third place.
Oh, a third place.
Third place.
Okay, then we give you the 40 because then the 60 then the 80. I don't know what I do, you know. I remember me not get money check it, you know. Yeah. You might want to go big.
Congratulations.
Make some nice here, the man.
Alright.
Yes.
And in first place.
We
have Nicola Smith.
Miss Nicola Smith.
Cheer for Nicola Smith.
Some nice one. So, level. So,
$1,000 in all.
when you go to the shop and she's not there and her assistant gonna assist you because she's going to chill out with her people then. First place winner.
Nicola Smith. presenting her award, Mr. Blake. With her
Mr. Blake
check.
with them.
Yummy.
Glass trophy.
And
Then
of
you want to
course-
play a walking trophy.
Day pass for
Put
two
the lights
at
up.
Couples Resort.
The nail take them line up fast.
So the day pass, so the day pass.
Right there I want to know.
And them I get the day pass in a bishop. I shake the day pass.
You know, me just tell
Yeah,
you.
man.
I'm me tell you that.
Couples Resorts, you know.
Miss Mackenzie, you know, you make it
Couples Resorts.
Me just tell you, so when you go to the shop and ask her, she not there, she there chill out.
Yeah, man.
Couples resort, I
That
don't
is
miss
it.
up. Drink pina colada or
Thank you
something.
so much. Thank you so much.
Big up
ladies and
yourself,
gentlemen. We're going to keep the program
Mr.
moving.
Bonus, me. Next
We're gonna
place,
keep it
yeah.
moving.
Move it here. Leave her know you're a judge.
The next,
Well, you're one of the
the
judges.
next mother, walk from the
Come,
swamp.
darling.
Walk.
One.
Clarendon
Mother, your
Chic.
hand them.
Clarendon Chicness. Remember, you're looking for Clarendon when you're looking at the nails. Next person.
Next person.
Next person. Next person.
Next person.
Next person.
I mean, you're gonna say, oh, my God, I never been a order. Then I say, you can't do a shoulder. XP, next day, they are order.
Next model.
Big up Yummy. Let me not know. Me know me did go get some.
Next model.
When I never have a party, I'm gonna get none, but Yummy see
Yes.
it.
Remember, we're
It's
looking for
wicked.
Clarendon Chicness. Clarendon Chicness. Clarendon Chicness is what we're looking for in the nails, ladies and gentlemen. It is all about Clarendon Chicness.
All right.
All right.
Moving fast. And the third one, and the fourth one, this.
Come on, we're finished.
All right, so the nail technician, them come.
Walk out,
The nail
everybody
tech, them
walk
come.
out.
As
Walk out,
usual,
everybody walk.
regular procedure.
Artists with him dip on every platform. Go and get it now.
Yeah, man.
Just come, stand up behind you.
Your model?
Your model.
That's correct.
Quick and fast, like when Messi kick and pass.
Right through.
Right through.
Right through.
All right. Judges are making their decision.
Yeah.
And they are making their decision.
Yeah.
I can see a little rain start to drizzling, but don't worry about it. It's just Father God cooling down the place.
Amen, Jesus.
The people that wanna like beer and like water, but they can't move. The two little drop of water drop by your heart, and then go away. You have to wait till the rain come down hard till you move. Good. If you're not afraid of water, don't move.
We're not moving.
We're not moving.
We're not moving.
Good.
Judges? Yeah?
Yeah, hello, can I get two party? Juicy party up on the nails them. What?
Clarendon Chicness, ladies
So the
and gentlemen.
makeup them left now.
Welcome to Clarendon.
So the makeup people them line up. Cause after this we are going right in the makeup.
Yeah?
In the makeup field.
Hey, Bishop, you see the nails there? Come them be agricultural, all these niceness. You
We
see
don't
this?
look over the scene.
You see the aki?
Over your son. That style of them chilling on the farm.
That's it.
This are chilling on the farm. Me not ask Christ.